Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you, this is the part one. I'm going to show you how to create a weapon customization station for your weapons. Okay, so we're gonna have two or three different type of station. We're gonna have one where you can just add stuff, and then one where you can upgrade, where you can repair your guns or whatever, and then we're gonna have another one where we can salvage our weapon for different parts. Okay, so now let me equip my primary. Right now I have it where you need to have the current weapon equipped, but I think later on I'm gonna do the check to see whether we have any weapon. So if I walk to this box right now, hit F, now you see I have my weapon information here, but right the way I want it to be, when I click one of these buttons, I'm gonna slide a border here with different type of suppressors, okay? And then I can just add them in there, and then it's gonna change the stats. But right now, these are statics. Nothing changed right now. I'm just working on the core functionality um, for this. But yeah, so this is what it is. And then if I walk out, boom, nothing happened. So right now, if I shoot, same old stuff that we know earlier, okay? But if I go here and equip a suppressor, as you can see on the preview, it shows on the preview and also on my gun right now. So now if I walk out, and you can see it on my weapon, see it? But now if I shoot, no muzzle flash, not because I have a suppressor, no muzzle flash, like that, boom, okay? So it's a work in progress, but now another check that I need to do is, now if I walk back here and drag again, now you see the suppressor is not here, but it's still on my weapon, but in the preview it's not there, okay? Yeah, in the preview is not there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to check to see if we already have a suppressor. If we already have it, we're just gonna set it. You'll see. But right now, this is what we're looking forward to. Okay, make sure like this, and then we can do the same thing for the for the magazine and everything like that. Okay, so let's get the show started. Okay, let me exit this. This is for the hitmaker thing. Don't worry about that. And let me move this to the side. Oops, this is me recording. This is my recording. So this is the current project that we have right now. You know, we can just do basic stuff, pick up weapon and reload our weapon and stuff, right? So yep, reload, spawn the magazine. Yep. Okay, so now let's start. My folder, I'm gonna create a new folder and I'm going to call this B station. Okay, and the station, let's give it a color so we can find it. Let's make it something unique. Yeah, yellow. Yep. And then add an actor, BP station master, and we can also use these to customize our character. Also, we can create the same one to customize our character. Let's create a new folder, and I'm gonna name it data. And inside of the data, you guessed it, because we've done this so many times. So structure, BP, no, yeah. Oops, station info, and we're gonna say station name. And then another thing that we need after station name, we also need duplicate this station type, and we also need a data table, miscellaneous data table for the station, and then say DT station. All right. So now in the station, let me open my project so I can speed this up. Not this one. Begin main. Is that it? Yep, that was it. Wait. Oh, that's not it. Stay here. There we go. Let me go browse to my data station info. Okay. So inside the station info, we need station info class. Yep, the class. Set class. And we also need a name, description, station type, and timer is station open, because I'm gonna do it where you can have your station available in the world at certain time. Okay, so now I have name, text for description, and then station type, station. Oh no, don't put this yet. Let's go here at 3, and we can say repair, repair. Oh, come on. Repair station, uh, upgrade station, and salvage station. Okay, so for the station type, we say station type, and then this is timer integer, and this is gonna be a boolean. Okay, so we say name, description, so we can let the people know what this station does. We can, okay, let's also add a icon, so that way, you know, if you're in the world, you can tell people exactly where this particular station is. Texture 2D, object reference. Oops, let's move this up, down here, up here, and description, station type, timer is station available, question mark. Okay, so now let's do the station name. So now I'm gonna have 3 stations. Repair station 1, upgrade station 1, and salvage station 1. Okay, we're gonna start with station 1. Okay, and let's open the name and open the data table. On the name, get this one. Boom, boom, boom. 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yep, and we can close this down. I already have that open. Okay, cool, cool. So now let's go back here and let's create another folder for child and get the station name again. Sorry. 1. If we go here, we say station 1, upgrade station, and salvage station. And we can just grab all 3 of these, add them here. Okay. Now let's open the station master. No, not yet, not yet. So here, repair station, it's gonna be repair station 1. Upgrade station, it's gonna be upgrade station 1, and salvage station is gonna be salvage station 1. And then you can give it a name. We don't have an icon. And name will be repair station 1. Copy this, put the description. It is a repair station. Let's say it's gonna be open for 60 seconds. Whatever. You can just, and is it available? Yes, it is by default. and then upgrade. This is gonna be, so this is the repair, this is the upgrade, upgrade station 1, and this one's gonna be a upgrade station 120 is available, and this one will be salvage station 1 and a salvage station 60, and it is available. Cool. So now let's close this, let's close this, close this, and in the station master, make sure it's replicated. Yep. And let's add a scene. Let's add a scene, get a default, and let's add a static, no, let's add a box collision first. No, box collision. And let's add a static mesh, and this one will be a weapon, no, station mesh. Okay, station mesh, and let's add another one, another static mesh. This will be weapon preview mesh. And what else do I need? And we also need a child actor. This will be for the camera, that transition. Okay. No. This one don't need to, yeah. So leave it. Don't, make sure it's not parenting to anything. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so like that, leave it like that for now. And we need the variables as always. We're gonna need one for the station info, make sure it's replicated, and then with another one, station name, station name. The reason why I'm going so fast is because we've done this a million times. Station info, you should already know what I'm doing. Construction script, get data table row, station enum to string, and boom. Okay, so now let's go to the child and open every single one of them. Repair station 1, repair station 1, repair station 1. Save. Salvage station 1, salvage station 1. Close, and upgrade station, and upgrade station. I click, close everything to the right. Okay, so let's pick up let's open the station master. Let's get the box collision, and let's make sure we can see it. And inside of let's add event begin overlap, and event and overlap. And one important thing that I forget. This station thing that I'm creating, some videos gonna have to be Patreon only. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but it just have to be. Sorry. Okay, but yeah, it's gonna be the Patreon for the one that's like $1, I think 99 cents or $1.99. It's not gonna be the $20 one. Okay, so if you want to watch the video, you're gonna have to be subscribed to that. Okay, and other actor, we say JC character. You should already know what I'm doing here also. Promote to a variable, make sure it's replicated, and we need to enable input. Okay, we say get player controller. There's gonna be a several, well, probably like 3 or 4 videos, maybe 5 to fully complete everything. Okay. Uh, yeah. So now we need another variable. Can interact. Okay, can interact, and we set it to true here. And if we copy all of this and this and this, oh, come on, grab this, Control D, and then plug it up here. Set this to false and plug it up. So get the interact button. We're gonna say if this is true, if can interact is true, let's print the character name to make sure everything is working. Okay, to make sure everything is working, we're gonna print the character name. So now in the master station, let me just add a station, but let's add a cube so I can see what's going on. And then we're gonna work on the thing in a minute. 50, 100, 100. No. This used to be 150 for now. Yeah. And hitting again, set to false. And now if we go here, and then we can just place one up here and rotate 90. Make sure it's high enough right there. Now if you hit play, we'll go here. Yeah, see, it's printing the character name. Okay, cool. So now let's work on the, you know what, let me find out now bound value. Yeah, now mesh. Let's delete that one a little bit for now, because I'm not worried about the AI right now. No, let's keep it, because I might trying to work on something and then go brain dead because I don't know why my AI is not running around. Okay, so now let me get out of here, because what I'm about to do gonna require some thinking. Okay, so let's go to the modeling tool, and what I'm going to do, let's get my character mesh, put this guy in here, focus on him, rotate this guy to 90. Okay, I don't need it right now. So what I'm going to do, get the cube grid, and gonna put this at 25, and then I'm gonna select something about this size, put it 1. Where's the station, current folder, and I'm gonna place this here, and I'm gonna say station 1. Okay, and if I grab the level prototype material, grab, place this, make a copy, save everything, open this, and add this material. Boom. Okay, cool. So right now, let me get my character to make sure I'm doing everything right. Yeah, 180. So select, make sure you select this, not the character. Click on the cube grid again. I need mine to be 2. Yeah, 2, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 is fine. Yeah, 3 is fine. And then grab this. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just want to go back 1. Yeah, enough for the character to be able to walk through it. And then this one we can close it all the way. And then this one we can just grab it here and go all the way. I'm just hitting E, okay? E to add and Q to remove. Extrude and then here, how big do I want this to be? I mean, how tall? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 should be tall enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just add this all the way across. All the way up. Clicking E. And grab this side. All the way across. And now, make sure. Okay, let's just hit accept for now. Open it up again. Just put this one here on the second part. So now, make sure you select it again. Qt grid. Yep. And then move this all the way forward. Just do one. Accept. Qt grid. Add it to the third one. And now, and select with that selected. Qt grid. And let me add low window at the top. Q. And then another one. Q. Okay. And then for this, yeah, let's just add the same. Okay, cool. So now, you can spin it, make your stuff look pretty however you want, okay? But for me, this works. This works for me. 90. Okay, so let me put okay, cool, my character look nice here. So now let's go to the master here. Let's select station 1, master, in the station back box, plug this up. So now we have it like that. Okay, now we can adjust the box to make sure it fits where we want it to be. So that's too long, so we say 50. Yeah, 50, 100. So this is where the character will have to stand to see what they need to see. Okay, let's slide it forward a little bit. Okay, and move it up. I mean, they're not gonna see this in the game, so this is just for you. Okay, so cool. So this is what this is, and then they just delete this right now. Delete the character. Delete this one. Matter of fact, click this and go to bring it to the world. Go to pivot. Make sure the pivot is at the bottom. So now we be able to move it like that. And when we're doing the excuse me, the building system, I believe. Let me show you how it's gonna look, okay? The building system. Let's see. don't worry about my naming thing. It's just like so I can differentiate the stuff that I need to differentiate, okay? So this is how the building system is going to look. Come on, open up. Yep, here we go. So for the building system, I'm gonna come on, play. Seriously? Come on, Epic. Here we go. Stop messing around. Okay, now if I hit B, okay, I have it on my QNN foundation. Plug the foundation here, and I can have where is it? Stairs. Put my stairs. Wall. Nope. I need the wall with the door. Door. Okay here, and wall with windows. Boom. Another regular wall. And I need a wall with window. Oh, not the door wall. Window wall. Yep. And if I get what is it? Windows. Snap. And then let's get a door. Snap. And I can get some chest pieces like that. I need to work on that one too. Chest. You know what I mean? I didn't add a chest pieces, and then also these works. Boom, open my door, get out. Can open the windows. You know, this is how the building system gonna be. Okay, but in order for you to get these in my building system, though I'm gonna have it, it's gonna be like you have to already craft these. It's gonna look through your inventory, see you have the required item in order for you to be able to select it and spawn it. But also too, you can add a bench, a working bench. It's in here. See, working bench. Here we go. And then don't worry about the collision in the door. I know everything is not working perfectly fine, and then we don't have rotation yet. These are work in progress. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the project. Enough yapping around. Okay, cool. Where were we? So now we need to let's add the. Oh, okay. This is not good. Oh, what? How did you move all the way over there? Okay, put this right here. So what do we need to do? So now we need to when it's gonna be all the way back. Yeah. Delete this. Fly all the way over here. And just put this right here. Okay, boom. So we can exit out of the selection menu. Hit end, boom, snap it in here. So what we need to happen? Well, what needs to happen is when we go over here and then when we press E, we need to possess the weapon that do the transition and then show it right there, okay? So now let's create the view target. So we're gonna need an actor and we're gonna say camera view, view target. Okay, camera view target. Open this up, add a scene component, make it the default, add a spring arm, okay, and add a camera to the spring arm, and make sure the spring arm is about like let's say 60, maybe 100, yeah, 100. Okay, and I don't think we need this to be replicated, but to be on the safe side, let's replicate it. Call it a day. Okay, so now here on the child actor, where it says child actor class, we say camera view target. Now you will see it right over there. So now you can position it wherever you want to position it. Okay, rotate however you want and put it wherever you want. So now for the weapon mesh, okay, let's go to the FPS weapon mesh, the AR. Let's get this, add it here, so that way we can position the weapon also. So grab that, move it up. Oh, it's about to be time. It's getting, the video is getting long. Rotate to 90. Rotate to, yeah, 90 is fine. And move it up. And let's make it low. Slide it down a little bit. Touching right there. Let's see where our camera is. Let's move this a little down here. Get the camera. Move it up. We need to do something about this clipping, but I'll fix it in a minute. Okay, so here, right there, when we press the E key, okay, when we press the E key, let's just delete all this. We need to get player controller, and then we say set view target with blend, because we want to transition from our player character to this, and we say get child actor, and then we plug it here. And then the blend time, let's say I need mine to be 0.7, however fast you want yours. Let's clap this to a function, and I'm gonna say blend cam function. And then that's create another one too. Say reset blend cam function. This one would be this one would be when we walk out to go back to our camera view. Okay, so on the reset blend function, in the new view target, put your player character. Okay, character ref. So now back to the event graph. Let's go check it out. Okay, let's go move. Go away. I don't want to talk to you right now. So go here. Boom. This is way too. Grab this, move it about. Let's rotate this a little bit. You can position yours wherever you want, but for me, mine's gonna be right over there. You know what? This guy annoying. Let's grab you, and move you a little bit forward. Yeah. So press E. Boom. You can, like I said, you can play with yours to see where you wanted it to be. But for me, I want mine to be right over there. One. Voila. Let's move it a little bit. Like I said, this is a trial, and move over here. Flip it like that. Let's put this in the, to speed up, yeah. Voila. Man, that's now what I'm gonna do. The weapon. Let's move it a little bit over here. Okay, for the weapon. Move the weapon a little bit over here. Now we're looking like this. That's up to you if you want it that way. So now you see, when I go away now, I'm still in that view. But what I need to do, grab this when I walk away. No, not this one. The reset one. Reset view target. When I walk away, You go back to my character. Okay. One last thing, I didn't add it to my other project, but I feel like it's gonna be cool, so I can just show you some stuff. Okay, let's get the light, reflector light, main light. Okay, so I'm just showing you some stuff, so that way you can see my, when I'm working on a project, how I go about doing things. Let's say, for example, you have a day and night system on your project, right? I don't know if I'm gonna add that. I might. Let's say you have a day and night system in your project, right? And then it's pitch black. You're gonna want to see this, right? I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. You're gonna want to see this, right? So for now, let's grab the intensity, copy this, and make it 0. So now it's off, right? So let's go to the event grab and say control, say turn on light, and grab this, set intensity to whatever it was, which is 5,000. Then we can say turn off light, and you guessed it, set it to 0. Okay, turn on, turn off, set it to 0. So now what we need to do is when we interact with this, when we press the E key, we're gonna say turn on light. Okay, and when we leave, we say turn off the light. Okay, so now if I grab my sunlight and let's copy this, let's make it to 4, 1. Now it's gonna be pitch black, kind of pitch black, but it's not. Yeah, let's say now like that. It's dawn. Run here, press E, lights turn on. Now work out, lights turn off. Okay, press E, lights turn on. Now you can see your weapon, and walk out, light turn off. Okay, all right, guys, that's it for me for this video. This video already getting long. In the next few videos, like I said, it will be on my Patreon. If you guys want to support me on what I'm doing, it will be on my Patreon. Okay, I might add the second one, because the second video I'm gonna add to the YouTube, because the second one is gonna be about creating the widget and then show the stats. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.